Wow, here we are, you guys. It is us. We are sitting here. This is unbelievable. I started filming this video at the beginning of the summer, and as you can tell by this outfit, it is nearly winter, okay? And it's not because I'm lazy. It's because I ended up renovating 2 other bathrooms after renovating this one, and just life got in the way, okay? Life just happened. And then by the time that I went back to, edit everything, the intro was kind of false information, and I just had to re-record this and really get out the best info that I could. So essentially in my original intro, I didn't know what I was going to be doing. So I bought like $50 worth of products at Lowe's to help me strip the wallpaper off and repaint and do everything because I had never taken wallpaper down ever in my life. And if you can't tell already, it was successful. I did it, and I did it with a lot less of the products than I bought. And in fact, I did 2 other ones, like I said. So basically, all you need, I will write everything in the description too, because, it's more to the point. We want to get into the scenes of me actually doing it. But you need one of these. This is incredibly useful for lots of projects, but I used this after I wet all of the wallpaper. This was really helpful in scraping it or like getting into the corners to help you pull it down. This is also really good for when you're puttying the walls to help fill the holes before you paint. All sorts of things. This is just such a good tool. I basically only used a version of this the entire time. And then I also used hot water in a plastic spray bottle that I sprayed all over the walls. And for this room, I originally used a solution of about 1-to-1 fabric softener to water to help, soften up the glue that was underneath the wallpaper. That was a mistake, mostly on my part because I got scented fabric softener and we couldn't sleep in our bedroom that's attached to our bathroom for a couple days after because our bathroom smelled so strong from the fabric softener, and you felt like you couldn't breathe. So when I did the other bathrooms, I just used hot water and sprayed it on the walls and let it, seep in there, and I was able to pull off all of the wallpaper. Super easy. So, really hot water in this is honestly all that I really used. There's a lot of other ways that you can do it. You can use steamers, you can use wallpaper chemicals, but I wanted to do it the safest way possible, the cheapest way possible, and it took a lot of time and energy and effort and love and patience, but I did it with just this and water, so you can too. And without making this too absurdly long, I think the next part is just going to be a montage of me DIYing the crap out of my bathroom. And thank you for watching, because I feel like this has been my baby. I've talked about this so much. I cannot believe that it's taken me this long. It's so stupid. That I did everything from the wallpaper to taking down the light fixture and replacing it, to putting up shelves, to wall hooks, to everything. So, it took me a long time even to find all the right things that I wanted to put in here, so that definitely set me back a little bit, but this is my baby and I'm so excited. And it's still kind of a work in progress, but it is so much better than what it used to look like, and I think that's it. Okay, anyway, I hope this inspires you to DIY the crap out of your home. All right. Okay, so I'm done. We're gonna retire these tools and find out a way to prep the walls in order to paint them. Sort of this whole time, because I realized that the pinks and the blues in here are pretty much spot on with my bathroom, and I cannot change the tile in here at the moment, so we're working around it. And so I realized that, you know, terracottas and greens and kind of like slate blues all work really well. So I'm currently deciding what we're gonna do here. So I'm currently deciding which color to paint this whole wall, probably the whole way to here. So it'll frame kind of this whole area. There's also like a little wall here. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with green, mostly because it definitely complements the pink and the blue pretty well, but also because I want to put plants all on this wall, and I think a green on green moment could be really good.
And now for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics.
So as you can see, I did not fail. In fact, I did it all. I stripped all of the wallpaper and then painted all of the walls after fixing a ton of holes, priming everything multiple times. It's been a journey, you guys, but I did it. And I think the only thing really next is to decorate. I need to get a new light fixture because I took that off the wall in a crazy moment. And I think that's it. I'm so excited to be here.